today.
Our world is changing.
Global concentrations of greenhouse gases,
and in particular carbon dioxide,
are at their highest levels for over 650,000 years.
Globally, 9 of the 10 warmest years on record
have happened in the last 15 years.
Earth's average surface temperatures have increased by half a degree since 1975.
Much more in polar regions.
And it has been proven
beyond reasonable doubt
that we, human beings, are responsible.
It's 95% certain that humans are the dominant cause, the scientists say.
As a result, we are facing some grave consequences.
Unless we act now.
We could potentially lose 50% of the Earth's species
in the Earth's 6 mass extinction.
Coral reefs are already suffering as our oceans become more acidic.
Sea levels have already risen 6.5 centimetres since the year 2000.
And is likely to rise by half a metre.
Or a metre!
by the end of the century.
Low-lying countries like the Netherlands,
Bangladesh,
The Maldives
And Pacific nations
will be at an increased risk from flooding.
And some will disappear altogether.
Where will these people go?
And what about Norfolk?
the fence,
The Thames Estuary?
severe weather events will become more frequent. Severe storms,
Floods?
Forest fires,
Droughts?
are already on the increase.
A freak tornado ploughs through a suburb in Tokyo.
There will be increased scarcity of food
And fresh water.
as agricultural yields fall.
And rainfall patterns shift. As we disrupt the balance of nature,
more areas will become inhospitable, and we will see greater conflict,
War!
and mass migration.
And as often the case, the poorest people on our planet will suffer the most.
Doctors describe climate change
as the greatest threat to human health.
Of the 21st century.
80% of climate change deaths will be in children.
Pope Francis himself says climate change is a problem which can no longer be left to our future generations, but it is a moral duty we have to our fellow humans, to future generations, and to creation itself.
But it's not all doom and gloom.
We are here to share a message of
Hope.
We've never faced something this serious before, but
Human beings are innovative,
Clever.
and resourceful.
What I don't want is for people to get paralyzed, thinking that somehow this is all out of our control.
we have everything we need.
To face up to this,
We have the technology to turn our backs on fossil fuels. In 74 countries, solar power
is cheaper than fossil fuels.
we can limit global warming to 2 degrees.
or less.
but we can't leave it up to our leaders.
We don't have time for apathy. Future generations will judge us all on our actions of our politicians.
How will we explain to our children that we had all the tools to stop this from happening? We did nothing.
We need our leaders to listen to our demands.
To be brave and bold.
And to set us on the right path.
Next month in Paris.
196 of the world's countries.
We'll meet to sign the new climate change agreement.
In the past, these summits have been fraught with disagreements and blame.
But this truly is our last chance.
To come together and set us on a better path. It will help to eliminate poverty, improve health and
Protect our precious home.
And this is where we need your help.
We need to make our voices heard. Big!
Or small.
please sign the petition on the Live Earth website.
Get your friends to sign it. Get your parents to sign it. And in school this week.
Sign the petition coming round to your floor.
We can together make a difference.